Hi, friends. Hello, and welcome to another enlightening episode of Bridging the Gap. I'm Sanchita, and today we are diving into the fascinating world of creativity, especially how to generate and evaluate creative solutions that can transform challenges into opportunities. Whether you are brainstorming for a project, solving a problem, or simply looking to spark new ideas, this episode is your go to guide. So settle in as we bridge the gap between stuck and unstoppable creativity. Imagine this: you are staring at a blank page or facing a complex issue and no ideas are coming to mind. Frustration builds, and the pressure to find the perfect solution feels very overwhelming. Sounds familiar, right? We've all been there. But what if I told you that unlocking your creativity is less about talent and more about using the right tools and methods? Today, we will explore practical techniques that can help you access your inner innovator and critically evaluate your ideas with confidence. Let's begin. We need to begin with creating the right mindset for creativity. The first step to generating creative solutions is setting the stage. Creativity thrives in a relaxed and open state of mind. Here's a quick exercise to get started. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Imagine your mind like a blank canvas. With each breathing, visualize and look at the ideas flowing into this canvas or into this canvas. Now set an intention. Say to yourself, I allow my creativity to flow effortlessly. This simple shift primes your brain to explore possibilities without the fear of judgment. Start brainstorming techniques. One of the most effective methods of generating ideas is brainstorming. But to truly unlock your potential, you need a structure. So, here are the three techniques for that. First, mind mapping. Start with a central problem or theme and draw branches for related ideas. Let one thought lead to another, no matter how unrelated they seem. This visual approach taps into your brain's associative power. Second, reverse thinking. Instead of asking, how can I solve this problem? Ask, how could I make this problem worse? This unconventional perspective opens sparks into unique solutions. Six thinking hats, that's the third approach. Approach the problem with six different perspectives: logic, emotion, caution, optimism, creativity, and organization. This ensures a well rounded exploration of the ideas. Now, let's look at some of the powerful tools for enhancing creative thinking. One such tool is reframing. For example, if you think, I cannot find a solution, reframe it as I haven't found the solution yet, but I am exploring new possibilities. Now, here's another technique. Think of a time when you felt highly creative. Close your eyes, relive that moment, and associate it with a physical action. Like it could be pressing your thumb or index finger together. Use this anchor whenever you need to access that state of mind and bring it back to your present. Evaluate the creative solutions. Once you've generated ideas, the next step is evaluation. Now, here are some of the simple framework for that. Visibility. This can this be idea be implemented realistically? Look at the impact. What positive outcomes could it create? Alignment. Does this align with your goals or values? Use tools like the SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats, to critically assess each idea. Overcome the creative blocks. If you hit a block, don't force creativity. Instead, step away. Engage in activities that relaxes you or inspires you, like talking or a walk or listening to music. Remember, creativity often strikes when you least expect it. Another very important tip I would like to share is collaborate. Brainstorming with others can bring fresh perspectives and energy to the table. So, before we wrap up, I would like to leave you with a question. What is one challenge you're facing right now, and how can you use the tools we discussed today to approach it creatively? Remember, creativity is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. So, with that, I want to thank you for joining me on this episode of Bridging the Gap. If you found this episode and these techniques valuable, please share it with someone who might need a creative boost. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep innovating, and remember, every challenge is an opportunity in disguise. So I'll see you again. Bye.